The pristine market player Lucid Motors is vying with EV leader Tesla for EV supremacy. Lucid's super strategies and stunning manufacturing edge is driving investors enthusiastic and crazy for investing in its stocks. These results are seen through the accelerating sales of Lucid EVs and even the figures rocking on the graphs. The company has just begun delivering keys in the hands of customers and is clutching the customers' attention towards their significant growth. 2022 will be exhaustively lined up with the tremendous deliveries for Lucid EVs, while 2021 was only the start, though the results were super amazing. So it's obvious that Lucid will be rocketing the Q4 earnings by accomplishing its goals. Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Emotion, where we deliver the latest and exciting news for the technological world. Before we dive in to know more about Lucid Motors' Q4 earning estimates, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you regularly contemporize your knowledge about the exciting information and updates linking to technology that's uploaded on Emotion. That said, now let's crunch some speculations on the Q4 earnings of Lucid Motors. After Lucid went public in July, customers were super excited about its results. This was all because of the flagship Lucid Air that has surpassed Tesla's one of the best models, Model S, by more than 110 miles. Even the attributes and software installed in Lucid Air are amazing, and hence, it's anointed a private jet on wheels. From every aspect, Tesla is in the backseat now when compared with Lucid Air. This is the primary reason for customers being so optimistic about Lucid's mind-blowing Q4 results. In the forthcoming results conference of the company, various things about Lucid Motors will be divulged, something like total sales, earnings throughout the quarter, manufacturing figures, reservations for EVs, and a lot more. The company might even disclose its prospective techniques and plans for its blooming future. The previous reports by California-based Lucid Motors did not announce their revenue figures, but the management team revealed a tentative figure of $232,000 as their revenue in the company's earnings conference. In the Q3 results of Lucid Motors, 520 units of flagship Lucid Air sedans were sold. However, it was launched just a month before the end of the quarter. Although the total sales until the end of the year are not disclosed, officially it can only be disclosed after the Q4 results are out. The main role in the picture will be played in 2022 and will be clearly showcased with its Q4 results. In their Q3 earning, the company revealed that up to 15th of November, there stood already 17,000 reservations for the flagship car model. This model has topped the best cars of 2022 and it was interestingly framed as the world's first 500-mile electric vehicle. Many experts speculated Lucid will shoot up its annual deliveries for Lucid Air to around 251,000 by 2026. Eventually, the revenue shot up and hit $22.8 billion. Being Lucid, the startup company, they're incurring heavy expenses at this point, but soon they'll be generating higher income than expenses. In no time, the company expects to turn itself into a profit-making company by 2023 and have positive results by 2024, gradually advancing to $2.9 billion by 2026. Apart from manufacturing EV models, Lucid Motors has been involved in developing electric battery packs for a long time now. Surprisingly, they're supplying these electric battery packs to many EV car manufacturers. These EV battery packs, which are supplied to their clients and for racing cars, are the same battery packs that are installed in Lucid Air models. Probably these same battery packs will be installed in long-range Lucid Air Dream model that has a range of 520 miles. If you're interested in other fascinating things about Tesla, then make sure to check out our video on why Tesla's new nanotech battery will be worth trillions, and Lucid CEO Peter Rawlinson will beat Tesla and Elon Musk. You can go check this out after the video. CEO and CTO of Lucid Motors, Peter Rawlinson, once expressed that they believe in providing these powerful battery packs in all the best e-vehicles, including racing cars. This will be super beneficial for racing cars, as at a single charge they can complete the entire race swiftly. Lucid has a mind-blowing strategy of earning significantly through the sales of electric battery pack formulas. Even the stakeholders can expect a good amount of income in form of dividends in the coming Q4 and the following quarters. This was precisely because the company started selling its Lucid Air Dream model in October and they only had a month before the end of Q3. Lucid just started earning the revenue from sales of Lucid Air Dream in Q4, and hence, speculators are optimistic for Q4 results. When compared with other EV startups, Lucid has a remarkable growth strategy that can be readily seen in the results and earnings. But the earnings per share will be in loss and even the quarterly earnings will be negative. One thing is certain, that it's the growing number of reservations for the Lucid Air Dream model and also the e-battery pack formula. Next, diving onto the balance sheet, as always, will be the cornerstone of the Californian-based startup. Lucid Motors will be immensely rich in both the cash side and bank balances. One can also expect capitalized capital expenditure in the balance sheet as the company is constantly expanding its factories. and finally is now 2.9 feet bigger than last year. Next is our equity segment, which will be at the vigil because of owing the extra convertible bonds that are issued. This is also because of the lockup restriction period for a public investment fund that will soon expire. The startup might have easily accomplished its unit target for the last year, 2021, but this is just a start for the bright future of Lucid. There's a long way to go for Lucid and achieve mind-blowing milestones in the coming quarters. This current year, 2022, will be a significant one for Lucid Motors. The CEO and CTO of the company is also optimistic for growth in 2022. He exclaimed, "We see significant demand for the award-winning Lucid Air with accelerating reservations as we ramp production at our factory in Arizona. We remain confident in our ability to achieve 20,000 units in 2022. For this amazing growth, Lucid needs to boost up their production unit, but also keep in mind the increasing manufacturing will also abide by problems that they need to take care of. Gradually, they need to look at the modifications required for the production units and increase the output so they can meet up the unit target of 2022. They might not be able to meet the delivery commitments because of the shortages of chips, which is a serious concern at this point. To cope up with market demands and their targets, Lucid needs to maintain the constant growth in production as they have maintained for the last few months. Although it's challenging for Lucid to achieve mass production in a small stretch and to make sure they pass on all the hurdles they face in their plants, secondly, the significant effect will be on the stock price for Lucid. This will entirely depend on the investors' experience with Lucid electrification for their models. No doubt, Lucid stock has performed significantly throughout its existence. They have managed to maintain the baseline of around $35 to $40, which is commendable, and for the long run, this EV startup will manage to grow significantly and enjoy victories in the future. But at the same time, they need to keep in mind that altering moods will have a negative impact on the stock's performance. The last quarter results showcased a bull run. The same outcomes are expected after the upcoming quarter earnings. Speculators predict that Lucid stock can be moderately performing with an average 12-month price target of $36.75. This was the prediction by MarketBeat data, which is again between the baseline of $35 to $40. Another prediction by experts stated that the prices of the Lucid Motors stock can go as low as $12 and shoot up as high as $60. The next earnings for Lucid Group Inc. is expected on February 21, 2022. This earning date is derived from an algorithm based on Lucid's historical reporting dates. Though this announcement of earnings can be revised by the company and they might provide the actual earning date. According to Zacks Investment Research, based on one analyst forecast, the concurrence EP's prediction for the quarter 4 is $0.26. This will soon be positive next year or maximum by 2024. The past data and analysis of those data signifying a bullish trend for the growth of Lucid Motors stock in the coming months. In our opinion, this can be the right time to jump into the market and stack up on valuable Lucid Motors. Though don't take a step forward before doing your analysis and studies for the quarter 4 earnings for Lucid Motors. What are your predictions for quarter 4 earnings of Lucid Motors? Will the Californian-based startup be able to meet their demand for 2022? Can we expect a bull run after the announcement of quarter 4 earnings by the company? Let's know your views and opinions in the comments. That was all about it. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting content and latest updates. See you in the next video.